All right, hey YouTube land. Me and the dog, we're heading down to a place called Magnetic Hill. It's about an hour south of OKC. We're gonna go check out this phenomenon. So it's supposed to be some kind of illusionary hill that makes it look like you're rolling uphill. Obviously we know gravity only goes downhill, but I'm gonna try to get video of this actually happening. We'll see what it looks like, and I'll let you know where everything's at. I'm also gonna be using my, let me guess here, my lavalier mic, so we'll see how that sounds. Normally I have an area shotgun mic, so trying some things up and enjoying the Veterans Day weekend, or weekday, there we go, enjoying the Veterans Day weekday. More to come, here we go. All right, we made it out. Not super impressed so far, but we still got a lot more to see. It looks just like kind of a hill and then a flat spot, so I don't know what we're looking for. Let me show you. So this is the view. A couple other people are here like going down the hill, so I'm not quite sure what they're expecting, and I'm not quite sure what I'm expecting either. We're at the top of the hill. My GPS says that. Let's see if we can, there you go. So that's what the GPS says. About to find out some more here. All right, we're at the spot. We're about to go in reverse. The big thing here is you got to be at the second pole. That's what some people were saying here earlier. So we're putting it in neutral, and here we go. Again, not much going on here. Let me give it a little bump in reverse. Everyone keeps saying reverse is better. So there I gave it a little bump in reverse. GPS says 1. Yeah, I'm not super convinced. I know there are plenty of these around. I know it's like an illusion with the terrain. But yeah, let me get the other side here. This is what I'm seeing right now. Now we're up to about 2 miles per hour. And yeah, this is the terrain around the area. Now we're up to 2.8 according to the GPS. 3 miles, 3.1. 923 elevation. Again, 924. It says we're going back uphill, and we are slowing down. Going back uphill again, 925. Anyway, so it's something to do, I guess. It's something fun. It's nice out today, and yeah, something to do. I'll put some GPS coordinates in the description so you know how to get out here and enjoy the afternoon. Something fun.